Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to show your favorite TikTok videos to public. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Samsung Galaxy phone and open the TikTok app. Before you proceed, double check that you're logged into the correct TikTok account. Step 2. Now, in the menu, locate the profile option at the bottom right side of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it to open your profile menu. Step 3. From the menu, look for the Favorites option. It should be right there. Just tap on it to open up your saved favorites. Step 4. Inside the Favorites section, scroll down until you see the Collections option. Once you find it, select it to move forward. Step 5. Now tap on the Create Collection option. Here, you'll need to give your collection a name. Something simple like random works fine. Most importantly, make sure to enable the Make Public Stir option so others can see your favorite videos. Step 6. After that, hit the Next button at the bottom of the screen. Now you can select one or multiple videos that you want to show publicly. Once you've picked them, just click on the Add Videos option to finalize your selection. Step 7. And that's it. You've successfully made your favorite TikTok videos public. To check, simply go back to your profile menu and you'll see your new public collection right there. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.